Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. Today we are going to talk about facial. We all know how important facials are for your skin. If you do facial on regular interval of 2 weeks or per month, it really makes a definite difference on your skin. Now there are a few steps which we follow in facial which makes your skin so beautiful, glowing, and I've seen such a huge difference since I've started doing facial. I am really addicted to it. There are so many facials, but you know what? If you understand which facial suits your face, then you will never go back. You will be like, I want to do facial once a month, no matter what. Now again, it's very important when you do facial, you want to make sure that you get it done by someone professional. Because everyone has a different skin type. You might have any other skin issue going on, might be pigmentation, tanning, or acne, active acne. So you want to make sure that whenever you go for facial, you have to have it by a professional. Otherwise, don't do it, just skip it, because it's no use if somebody have acne, pimple, and you get a different sort of facial, because these facials are made for particular skin type. Gold facials have some other benefit, diamond facial will have something else, fruit facial are for something else, detanners for something else. So if a person does not understand what your skin needs, then there is no use of doing facial. And I always recommend you guys to search out and learn what facial will be beneficial for you. Most of the time I've experienced that salon have experienced professional and they totally understand what they are doing. But just make sure that whatever your skin needs, they give you the same thing. Then that's the result, and that's the right way of doing a facial, and then you'll see the results you are expecting. So in this tutorial, I'm not going to talk about what salon does, but there are moments where you don't have time for salon, you don't have enough energy to go out on weekend or a holiday, or you just want to save some money in your pocket and you really don't want to invest it on a facial. Like, to be honest, a good professional facial will cost you around 2,000, 3,000 and much more than that. If you have much more issues, the cost will go up. Like, it never goes down, it always go up. So if you want to save that money and want to utilize some other facial kits which are available in market, and there are so many brands, like so many brands which have facial kits in the market, and there are so many variety. So I'm going towards more of facial kit, do it at home. So I do my facial nowadays at home, and this is one of the kit which I have bought yesterday. I went to the Western Mall, Pune, and there I found this Organic Harvest store, and I found that they have really cute small facial kits which you can do it yourself, and these are like 30 minutes kit you have to use. There are different type of products in a single kit, so that is really good if it works out. So that's what I'm gonna show today. I have to clean out my lipstick and everything, and I'll start using, I have few things I'll tell you one by one. So I'm gonna remove my makeup. I have little makeup on, so I'll remove it with the simple micellar water. This, you guys know, I have talked about a lot in my past videos, and let's see how this facial gonna be. So I'll take a little bit on the cotton pad to remove everything from my face. You make sure that your skin is all clean whenever you are doing facial. You can either wash your face as well, but I'm just gonna remove everything. Makeup is now removed. I have removed everything. As you can see, it's all out, and I really feel my skin is really clean. I really like this makeup remover from Simple. You guys should try it, and it's really good for particularly sensitive skin. So I'll move into the products which I've bought. I bought two facial kits from them. So the first facial kit which I bought from Organic Harvest is the Pearl Skin Whitening. I'm really not interested in whitening, but it said pearl, so I was interested in the pearl. I have done pearl facial few times and it really gave a good glow on skin, so that's what I was interested in. And it says that it has 5 products in. So it has a cleansing milk, anti-tan face scrub, massage cream, mask and a sunscreen. So you have 5 products in this facial kit, which the lady told me you can use it for around 2 to 3 times. Now as per the price, this costs rupees 245, so this is a really affordable option, and you can see how cute the packaging and everything looks like. They have really done a good job on the packaging, to be honest. This looks so cute to me. I'm gonna keep this thing. The flower looks so pretty. And they say that it is for all skin type, and this product and the entire range is free of paraben, mineral oil and animal ingredients, and there is no color added, so that's really good. Now it is vegan product, recycled, cruelty free, plant derived and certified. So good, it seems and sound really good. Wow, I just want to keep this box up on my vanity. It looks so pretty and fresh. Flowers make me so happy and light. It really relaxes me. So this flower is so pretty. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. So I'll start. I'm opening the package. Now if you guys feel that my hair does not look good, so I have not washed it from past 2 days, I've been using dry shampoo because I was quite busy and I did not got time to wash my hair. So I've been using the Batiste hair dry shampoo. This is really good. It is my savior, to be honest, and I have like 3-4 in my vanity. I cannot get enough of these products. So these are my real savior. They save me because I have long hair, really long hair, and washing it every other day is really a good task, like very engaging. You need good amount of time. So that's why, please excuse my hair if they look crazy to you. We'll go ahead and start with the kit. As I open it, I see there are a few packages. So I'll show you what these parcels are in this kit. So first one is the skin whitening cleansing milk. This is how it looks. The second one is the anti-tan face scrub, which is a really important step in facial. Like that is the key that's the key step in the entire facial process. So that's what it is. The third one is the skin whitening massage cream. This is how it looks. I really like how they have a different flower on every packet. That's really cute of them. And then they have the skin whitening mask. This is how it looks. Again, so cute. And the most important step is the skin whitening sunscreen. So this is how the parcel. So the first parcel from the cleansing milk. I'm not gonna cut it entirely off because then I'm going to use it for the second time as well. Let's see how it is. How's the cleansing milk? This is how the cleansing milk looks like, as you can see. We think like, you know what, makeup is removed and we do not need anything. Here's the proof for you all to understand that yes, your skin still needs cleansing. You see this? This definitely came out post using the cleansing milk. So I totally believe cleansing milk is a really important step. It has really moisturized my skin while and at the same time has removed makeup. So I'm really impressed with that product. That is good. Now coming to the second one, which is the skin whitening anti-tan face scrub, which I'm going to use now. Looking at the quantity of each of the product, I believe every item of this product I can use it for around 2 to 3 times. They have really good quantity given in this product. Now let's see how this scrub looks. A good steam on my face. Now what I'm going to do, that I'm going to pick this scrub and use it on my face, and I'll scrub gently for around 2 to 3 minutes and you'll see if there's a difference. Let's start. Make sure that you get a good look of what I'm doing and how I'm moving my hand so that you can understand how you have to do it, because scrubbing is really good, but at the same time this has to be gentle. Just because you think scrubbing can remove the dead skin, the whitehead and blackhead, you have to go very harsh. No, that's going to damage your skin. Just go slowly and just see how I'm moving my hands. has definitely removed the dead skin and it has made my skin really soft. I really like that effect, and definitely I was not expecting it to be this good. Now a very important step before scrubbing is to give your face a very mild and a gentle steam. Face steam, you can use steamers or you can just boil water in a utensil and keep the towel and then have that steam like you do when you have cold. So that's really good. And if you don't want to invest in that tool, which is around 200, so I guess that's a very good option, because in that case you are sure that water, only the steam comes out and water does not. So that's a very handy tool just for 200 rupees, and you can find it anywhere in the drugstore. So I guess that's a good option. But again, you can do it at your home using boiling water in a utensil, so you can do that. Now coming to the next step of this is a massage cream. Massage creams are again very important, because after scrubbing your skin is a bit disturbed, so you make sure that it goes back to the normal stage and you can proceed with other steps. So the cream looks, massage cream, which is really thick and I like it. So now we are moving to the next step of facial, which is the face mask, which is a really essential step again, because this is what makes the actual difference in the skin. So I'll be trying out this one and I'll use a normal face mask brush over here. So let's start. For this mask to actually work on my skin, and this is a quite thick mask, so you really need to move your brush really fast. I was doing a bit slow, so it dried out at quite skin area. It does not have a smell, it just smells a bit like how a face mask should. It does not have a very strong smell, so if you have issues with smell, so this mask definitely not gonna give you a hard time for that. Hey guys, so my face mask is now dry, and now I will clean it with a clean warm cloth. So as you can see, my skin is really squeaky clean. I feel it all clean from the dead skin. I do not feel whitehead or blackhead on my skin. Usually I have a lot of whitehead around my chin or my forehead, but I do not feel any. My skin is really clean. Now I'll see in this small mirror if it is really clean as I'm feeling right now. Yeah, definitely it has cleaned all the whiteheads I have here around my eyebrows, on my forehead. I do not see any of those whiteheads now. My skin is really healthy looking and glowing, to be honest. As you can see the glow around my nose and my cheeks, and I really find it clean. My pores are also really clean, as I can see in this mirror. My pores are all clean. this chin area which usually I get blackheads. This is also clean and I really find my skin healthy and glowing. So we are not done. I'll do the last step of this facial is to use a sunscreen, which is a must. Never skip it. Never just go out in sun, guys, without sunscreen. This facial has definitely given a good glow and has definitely removed the whitehead. Now I will not say this is the best facial I have tried. I have definitely tried better than these, but if you are looking for an affordable option and you do not want to spend so much money on facial, these kits are really good. Now I will definitely be trying the anti-tan facial pack as well, which I still have. Pearl facial, it did not give me any whitening effect, but definitely gave me a good glow and has removed the whitehead from my skin and gave me a really good soft plum skin, which I'm really loving right now. I have tried so many kits from other brands, but I really prefer this one the most because it does not have bad stuff in it like paraben or mineral oil, which most brands have. But this is a really good choice I have made and I feel my skin is really glowing right now. Let me know your thoughts on this video, if you like it or not, or you want me to do some other type of videos on any product, facial kits, moisturizer, foundation, whatever you guys want. See you next time, and if you are not subscribed, do it. I mean, you are missing few things out here. So do not forget to subscribe, stay connected, and I'll see you next time with another interesting video. Take care of yourself and keep glowing.